to taste, and black pepper to taste. Cut 2 onions in half and then slice them. Tell me how you make rice at home. I would love to know your recipe. Cook the chicken breasts for 6 minutes on each side. Add salt and black pepper to the other side as well. Then remove the pan and set it aside in a bowl. In another pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the onions that we cut, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, stir, and sauté. Cut the chicken breasts into smaller pieces and stir them together with the onions and then set them aside. In a pot of water, add 420 grams of rice and let it boil and cook for 7 minutes. Then drain the rice and rinse under cold water. Now in a bowl, add 2 egg yolks and beat them with a whip. Add 180 grams of natural yogurt, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, black pepper, and stir to combine. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is from Michelle DeLeon from Calgary. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. In this mixture, add half of the rice that we cooked and stir to combine. Now grease the whole surface of a baking pan with melted butter. Add the yogurt and rice mixture, then the chicken and onion mixture, and finally the rest of the white rice left in the pan and press it lightly. Cover with a double layer of foil and bake at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. Here, I have 245 grams of natural yogurt. Add salt to taste, ½ teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of mint, it's optional, and stir to combine. And our rice is ready. To serve it, pour some of the sauce we prepared earlier. It will be delicious. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.